Dear Chartered Accountants, working professionals, and students in the domains of Indian auditing, accounting, and the tax and regulatory space, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing Chartered Accountant. Daily news and updates for 7th December 2023. It has been brought to the notice of the Central Board of Direct Taxes that due to certain technical issues or for other reasons not attributable to the assessees concerned, several returns for assessment years 2018-19, 2019-20 and 2020-21, which were otherwise filed validly, could not be processed. Consequently, intimation regarding processing of such returns could not be sent within the time frame. This has led to a situation where the taxpayers are unable to get their legitimate refund in accordance with provisions of the Act, although the delay may not be attributable to them. The matter has been considered by the board in view of the pending grievances of taxpayers related to issue of refund for assessment year 2018-19, 2019-20 and 2020-21. To mitigate genuine hardship being faced by the taxpayers on this issue, the board hereby relaxes the time frame prescribed and directs that all returns of income validly filed electronically with refund claims for which date of sending intimation has lapsed can be processed now with prior administrative approval. The intimation of such processing can be sent to the assessee concerned by January 31st, 2024. Adani Ports and Special Economic Zone, India's biggest maritime company by market capitalization, is in advanced talks to acquire Shapoorji Pallonji's group's Gopalpur ports in Odisha for up to Rs 1,100 to 1,200 crore in equity value as part of a neatly woven string of pearls strategy that involves owning considerable facilities along both the eastern and western water margins. Reliance Industries Limited, the country's most valuable company, is in talks with sugar mill operators for supply of sugarcane press mud, a feedstock for the production of compressed biogas. It has reached out to large sugar mills which can supply thousands of tons of press mud to the company on a daily basis for its biogas plants. In September, Reliance Industries chairman Mukesh Ambani had announced plans to set up 100 compressed biogas plants over the next 5 years. These plants are expected to consume 5.5 million tons of agri-reduce and organic waste. India's $245 billion IT sector continues to hire for leadership roles even as entry-level recruitment has come to a standstill and overall headcount shrunk, as companies seek experienced hands to steer through the headwinds they are facing. In the 12 months through September 2023, there have been as many as 5,700 senior executive movements in the software exports and enterprise technology space, compared with 5,500 the same period a year earlier. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.